Hello friends, welcome to Yash Trust channel. I am Yash. Today I am making video for inspection type 06, that is inspection for return from customer. Friends, all of you know that production cycle, production supervisor make material ready for selling and sales team do delivery of that particular product. But sometime after delivery, our product is not satisfying customer requirement due to some any reason like damage, some quality issue. So customer feel complaint about that product. So at that time, this inspection for return from customer, that is inspection type 06, is more useful. So friends, let's move towards quality inspection type chart. As showing on the chart, inspection type 06 is nothing but customer return inspection. Its functional area is sales return. Some prerequisites is needed for creating sales return inspection lot, and this prerequisites is nothing but inspection plan, MICs. We use usage 7 and status 4, that is released for general, for creating sales return inspection lot. This inspection lot or this inspection type is not stock relevant. Sequence of transaction step for generating customer return inspection is as: first we create sale order, then we create delivery, that is outbound delivery against that sales order, then post goods issue. So by reference of this original sale order, we create return sales order and we do inbound delivery again. This is post goods receipt now. And at that time our inspection lot created, then we can do result recording, usage decision, etc. Friends, this application area is for semi-finished material and finished material, because we sell our semi-finished and finished material to the customer. And for the return goods issue from the customer, this inspection type is useful. So friends, let's move towards demo. As shown on the screen, this is my material. For that, I'm maintain inspection type 0C. So first I will show you quality management view for that particular material. Yes, this is the quality management view, and in quality management view I already maintain inspection type 06, that is inspection for return from customer, and all related business transaction already fetched. I had checked it and it's okay. Now I want to save. So friends, I will show you quality inspection during return delivery chart. So first step, I will show you material with quality management view, then particular inspection plan for that material. Then I will create sale order. I will create outbound delivery against that sale order and do the PGI. Then next I will create again sale order with RE, means return sale order. And with the help of this return sale order, I will create delivery also. So at that time, my inspection lot will create. So I will follow all the steps with respect to this return delivery chart. So next step is to show you quality inspection plan. So my quality inspection plan T code is nothing but QP01. I already created it. So this is my material. This is my plant, and I will show you header details. In header details, I use uses as a 7, that is goods issue, and status is for release general, because there is no any stock posting. That's why I use that uses. And all of you know that as usual step, I maintain inspection characteristics, master inspection characteristics, and sampling procedure. I check consistency, all are okay. Now I want to save this inspection plan. Yes, as showing on the return delivery chart, my next step is to create sale order. We can do delivery, outbound delivery against sale order and PGI. So friends, all these steps I already created. You can see my video for that particular. You can see my video for inspection type 10. So at that video, I already done all these steps. So I move towards next step to create a return sales order and create return delivery for the sales order. Okay. So friends, the code for creating return sales order is nothing but VS01. Here I maintain return order type, return delivery is RE. Here I maintain sales organization. Here I maintain distribution channel and division. Now I click on create with reference because I will create this return sale order with reference to sale order. So my billing document of the sale order I maintain here and I click on copy. I click on copy. Yes. So friend, this is my return sales order. Now I want to check incomplete log before saving the return sales order. And some mandatory field I need here is order reasons. Why we will created this order? Because is any material is damaged or any other reason. So you can put any reason. So here I put my reason that loading problem. Enter. So next I will maintain some pricing data. Yes, my pricing data I am maintaining here. Actually friend, this is the sales activity, but time being I'm doing it. It's not any big task. So friends, execution takes place and system give me message document is complete. So as showing on the delivery chart, I create return sales order. So once I will save one order number, we can get, and after getting sales order number, I can do return delivery against that sales order. So first thing is I will save that sales order. So execution takes place, it takes some time. Here friends, return order has been saved, means return order created. So my next steps as showing on the return delivery chart to create return delivery for that sales order. So I will move towards change, or T code is nothing but VS02. Here is my order number, enter. Here I click on sales document, I click on delivery. Yes friends, so this screen is nothing but return delivery overview screen. Here is my material, here is my plant, here is my storage location, and all quantity, unit, all the data already fetched. Here as shown post good receipt tag, because we will do receipt, not issue. During outbound delivery it's issue, but now inbound delivery, so this is post good receipt tag. So friends, my next step is to save this outbound delivery. Once I will save this outbound delivery, my inspection lot will generate it. So I will save it now. Yes. Yes. So return delivery has been saved. So now my next step is to check whether my inspection lot will generate or not. So here I put today's date. Here I put my plant. Here I put my material. And here I select all inspection lot executed. Yes, friends. There is inspection lot created. So friends, now my next step is to do result recording and do usage decision. So I click on result recording tab. Here I put result of that particular material refresh it, my system status change, result recording, and now I'm doing UD for that particular inspection lot. Yes. After saving, green light come and system status change to UD. This is, I change my layout, then more options you can see. So this inspection type start with 6, inspection lot origin also 6. If you move, here is delivery number, here is sold to party and sales organization. So friends, we can now check our material for return delivery. So after that, as showing on the inspection type chart, once we will complete our inspection lot or UD, the sales team will take the decision whether any replace of that material or any kind of decision will take sales team. So friend, this is more about inspection type 06. Next time I will come with inspection type 07. Meanwhile, you like the channel, subscribe it and share it. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.